Hey Nanny, what's your favourite part about Christmas?
All being together.
Great answer. Hey Grandad, what's your favourite part about Christmas?
I think it's the fact I can be naughty on Christmas and get away with it.
Oh, okay. What's your second favourite then?
Well, it's not. Yes, it's when, because I've been naughty, that my lovely wife then chases me around, and I
Bro,
think,
what?
and I think that reminds me of when we were young.
Nanny does not do that, guys. She does not do that.
No.
Hey Helen, what's your favourite part about Christmas?
Oh, let's see. Seeing all the family and seeing Katie and Emily's faces light up when they undo their
Amazing.
presents.
High five.
High five. Emily, what's your favourite part about Christmas?
My favourite part about Christmas is opening presents with my family. Bye!